Before downloading GPS spoofing software, users want to know how well it works on iOS, avoiding issues like map crashes or connection problems. In this video, we'll review iTools virtual location, exploring its features, usability, and limitations to help you decide if it's the right choice. Part 1. iTools Virtual Location Overview and Main Features. Part 2. iTools Virtual Location Pricing and Safety. Pricing: Premium, $30, $95, $34, $95, Platinum, $69, $95, Bundle, $59, $95, Subscription, Yearly Monthly, Free Trial, 30 days. Safety: No jailbreak, uses PC, not apps, safe from official provider, may fail on newer devices, some map crashes. Part 3. iTools Virtual Location How to Use. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB, then open iTools. Go to Toolbox and select Virtual Location. 2. Enter the desired location's address or GPS coordinates and click Go. The map will shift to the selected spot. 3. Click Move Here to confirm, for example, Covent Garden. 4. Zoom in on the map, then tap the person icon to finalize your location. Part 4. iTools Virtual Location Bug Fixes. Restart iTools and devices. Update iTools, iTunes, or drivers. Use a good USB cable and try different ports. Part 5. iTools Virtual Location FAQs. Q1. Why isn't my location updating? Restart app or toggle GPS. Q2. Can I simulate movement? Yes, with adjustable speed. Q3. How accurate is the GPS? Real-time may vary with apps. Q4. What if the map crashes? Check internet or restart iTools. Part 6. iTools Virtual Location Pros and Cons. Part 7. iTools Virtual Location Best Substitute. Virtual Location Tool offers easy GPS spoofing with single or multi-point routes. It works with the latest iOS or Android versions, ensuring smooth app response. With a simple interface and fast connection. How can I use the best iTools Virtual Location Alternative Virtual Location Tool? After downloading, install, and launch the program, tap Get Started to see the welcome screen. Then connect and unlock your iPhone or Android phone. Click Teleport in the top right corner, search or zoom to select your location. Click Move to apply the change. Verify the location in Apple or Google Maps.